Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Luis here, Cryptolu. Bring to you guys the morning trade. I'm gonna have to put my option strat link for affiliate program. I had to just send an email to them to fix it on my account of Vimo that I was wrong, but well, no, for a long, not gonna take too long for you guys because today I gotta go to work. I started noon, so that's that's what I did yesterday. So yesterday, this girl, girl, man, I don't know what it is, on the StockBits posted freebie for SPY. I think she posted too earlier because when she posted afterwards, the stock took a dip. She posted somewhere around here. Let me show you guys. Somewhere over here, and then suddenly we have this pump, like in less than 3 minutes pump, something like that. And then from there we sink all the way down. And then we closed the day at 500. Okay, so that kind of like hit a stop loss, which is $22 on a call. So overnight, kind of like side trade in the morning, a little pump earlier, and then as far as we go, so we started open, and then again it dipped again, going down to 4. The low here was. Actually, this one, open, low, high. Low is 499, open, high 500. And then we have the flip, the inverse. Came off these 3 candles over here. So we got the buy signal. All the buy signals kind of like hit it. Also, we can see my signals here as a support. And then from there, right now, we trade at 503, which would probably, we hitting the call pretty big, I believe. Let me see which one it was. On my history here, SPY, it was 508 freebie for today. The entry, sorry, let me go back. I sold it for 4 cents. And I purchased for $41. So I sold for $4. I lost $37. What saved me was the QQQ for tomorrow. I got the put and I sold it for $40, but I purchased at 24. So I made it 16 less. Still lose $20. So looking at my Webull account, so let's take a look, see how's the trading the 508 right now. 508 call 508. So I sold for $4. And the ask is 13, so we'll get back $8 on that. But my hit, her stop loss was $22 with the entry 41. But this is gonna go up. Big support at 500. Probably flip a little bit, maybe for today, because we have the earnings from we had the earnings for what's the name? Oh my God. Right here, we have it. Netflix tonight. So what happened Netflix? Netflix took a little bit of dip. And then on the dip, we kind of like, I think it went down to 611. Which normally, I think I did this before. So before earnings, it was coming high and then like shorter. But we have different scenarios. You have to retake and relook all the scenarios. But that's what happened. So tonight we might gonna see this going up again because the call, it's for the high side, for the call side. So they're saying the price is 700. I'm gonna take you guys to Netflix. So Netflix, it's for the weekly chart. Let's fix this. It's hitting this bear block over here, which is 659, 643. I think it was the highest that hit it. So from this block, kind of like took a dive all the way down to 163, and then went up, took a little bit of dive over here, and then went up into right now at 630. It hit it like this one, 639 high, and the low was the weekly, it was 609, and this week we had the open at 630 and the low is 603. So 603, that's 609. So low lows, which is bearish, and high 639 with 630. So we see today after the earnings how it goes. But I think Netflix did it once, like before they did it, like they hit big in the earnings, it went up like 30%, no, maybe like 15 went to 20%, and then open, and then as soon as it opened, it dropped all the 20% back to the price. So I have open call and put both accounts, and my goal is I'm gonna take a look at the market. If the market is still like in the green side, everything green, VIX is trading right now at 17, hit like the 19, it kind of dropped this bear block over here in the VIX, and so I'm thinking like for the earnings, it might happen the same thing on Netflix. We might gonna see it. Let me open that position over here. That way I don't have to do this. But I'm thinking this. I'm going to open a buy position of 100 at this point. And so what I'm thinking, you're going to trade today, the whole day, or something this price. And then from there, I think we're going to go to 750 or something like that. Maybe 16, 17%. And then after that, at open, we're going to drop back probably like to 617. So I'm going to close the call side earlier tomorrow, which are going to be in the work, but that's okay. And I'm going to let the put open if that happens. If it happens the other way, if it, from this point it drops to 500, probably I'd close the put and let the stock try to revert from the 530 or something. It probably, if you drop, you're gonna drop something in, especially if the market is dropping. If it dropped tonight, it might drop like 20%. Like they have this big swings in the 20 to 30% drop. So that's SPX daily. And like I have a new indicator. I took off the trauma, and I got this the bottom one here, OS GFC locks. So I had to play with the numbers 30, 15, 21, and 1. Kind of like supposed to be show for trading on that. So you guys probably, I don't know if anybody looking at that, but I changed it. I'm gonna tell you guys a couple of things. I don't know if I'm gonna open a channel just for that, but I gonna try see what I can do here. But anyway, so we are on the option strat, which I have like the position. Those positions I don't have anymore, other than RTX. Everything else I close, I believe. All right, so let's see here. So I open. Let's build that. No, let's close the one. This one, BlackRock. Let's see here, BlackRock. PLK. 760. So for tomorrow, the call debit, and I got this for how much? Well, it doesn't matter. So let's close this position. Close. And this was 0.33, and they both 33, so I close it 0. 100% loss. $50 lost in this one. Close. This one I close. How much? So put 725. So this one I got a little bit of money. This I closed the trade at $70. $70. So I make 20 bucks, 40%. Close. This one I think I sold for $1. Yeah, let's put this way. Close. This still open, and this I close. I think I closed at $6. So I lost $2. So what do I open recently? Let me update my account here. So I open. Let's do the simple ones. Actually, everything's simple in here. This one was Snap. From the top, I got the 13 call for $4. So this is the news that TikTok ban. Save. Close this one. Close here. Let's build another one. I think let's take a look here. It's OMC. I don't even know why I play this. I just throw money away sometimes. So this one, let's switch to put. And let's bring to 85. It's supposed to be earnings, and I thought it is gonna hit. It didn't do anything. I threw 40 bucks in here and lost everything as far as you can see it. Earnings, ER. Bad. That's I never play 2 digits. And another thing, no volume. Don't play with that. See. But gotta wait. So the play put is still 0. PVH was 0. Trade the whole week. So this is my struggle on Netflix for the earnings. Netflix is let me add a position by call. So the call is 800. Oh my god. 800 for next week. And the put, it's, I don't want a this put, but then this is pretty much what I did. 460. Okay, this one I got for $45. $45. And this one I got for $25. Let's save ER today. Let's save the trade. Let's go back and finish. Oh, let's do this one because just because. Let me see. Another easy, like the price was the 95. Call, move, add, sell call. 9750. Yeah, so this the play. I got this for $28 average. Buy the call for 39. And sell for 11. So the play here was for an earnings, if even like a 2 digits earnings, ER, 2 digits. Normally the 2 digit stock, this has to move big. If you don't move big, you don't make money. This one, this like bull call spread, it would have paid me with the 1%, as you guys can see. Still, if you move today 1.4%, it should be paying me $55, which is profit. I would be profit $27 because the play was $28. So, but at this point, I don't see it moving as much. Let's say here that I don't know why it's a the price is $92.53, $28. It showed that to me. My account says 00. Why is, well, because it's 0 bid and 65 ask. Last traded at 10. So if I have the cash, I could have bought the call, which like exercise the call and buy it at $95 and then exercise the sell at $97.50. I want to make $250, but I don't know. Anyway, I don't have the cash for that. So, where are we at right now? Okay. Let me show you guys. This video in 20 minutes. I think we're gonna be right on. This is the SPX. And I keep saying like any pump, we look like in a bear market or go into a bear market, because the technical analysis, this would be like the three black soldier, which is reverse for this big bull market over here at 26%. So this is the bear going to the bear market. So the correction here to the support is supposed to be 9%. With everybody talking, we might gonna see this the next 2 months. Like May, sell may go away, in June, July. We probably come back if, like, the Fed cut the, cut the interest rate and go to in first cut in June. But if it didn't happen, it continues the blood, and we go down this way. Okay, so now the play of the day is Netflix. So I open like a bull because I think it is gonna revert. Even so, if you hit the 567 with the support, first support on my indicator, it might hit the second support, which is 547. And then you're gonna bounce from here, you go up. But as you can see, we are trading in a sell, kind of like sell environment. A little bit. This normally when it go here or over here, kind of like it shows a little bit of pressure on the stock. I don't even think I did it. Do I save this? Yeah, I did. So let's go back to my saves. This second, guys, bear with me. Yeah, I did it. I did it in strangle. I didn't do it separate. But anyway, so what happened? Why? Let's go back open option strat. Just to make this the final count for the video. All right. For next week, I had 2 stocks at the beginning of the year, like in February, that kind of hit me pretty good. It was Meta and Palo Alto. Both I cashed big time with $100 play each one. This is a little bit less than that, way less than that, because the total max loss is $70. So I'm looking at, but I don't think I'm gonna make that $2,000 play. But I'd say, like, if a stock moving at 17% up or down tomorrow at the 19th, we're looking at the green line at the top at 9:30 and 4 o'clock. At this IV at 81%, we're looking at between in the call position $700 and in the bear position $600. So sometimes with the VIX like this, I think we have a big chance. But let's take a look, see if normally the IV dropped to 40%. If it dropped to 40%, then I probably gonna be able to, like, get the money back in maybe $20. However, if the IV stays at 60%, 66%, so I gonna, cash a little bit of money. As far as I'm concerned, my goal is like $200. $200, that should be fine. Now, if the IV hit it and stay at 82%, we're gonna see this. But sometimes the IV even go higher, 130%. We don't want to see that. So if you go higher, 82, and stock would have, if the stock moved today anywhere, it has to change like 5%, but this is too much. I don't think it's gonna move more than 1.5% up and down, which is back even on a 1.7%. So that's like what I'm seeing. So bring the technical analysis in the weekly chart. It looks like a little reverse, and we might gonna see it. This correction would be, let's take a look. From this point, see, is already turning. From this point, we have, come on. It's not that one. Bear with me, guys. This one. And this would be 8% in the first support, and then 10%, 11% in the second support. And what I need is this one, 27% in the third support, 28%, which would be 173 points. Happened before with Netflix. I don't know. We are in a situation that might happen again. Okay, that was the third support for the weekly chart, 28%. But I'm thinking that, well, yeah, I'm gonna go like that, 28%, because the way it is at this point. So what we are right now. Okay, let's take a look at the one, two things actually. Let me go flow live, and let's take a look on Netflix to see how it's thing going. Right now it's slightly bearish. Got this guy here, the yellow, bought 690 call, 200 contract at 460, $92,000. So he believed that the stock could go to somewhere around the break even 694. So for him, he's looking at 11% or plus. So it needs to be like something around the 15% for him to make money, because he needs to close right here at 12%. He just gonna make $1 or break even. Anything 1% to change the whole perspective. 2%, let me see, 4%, 15, which is supposed to be 11, but 15. He makes some. You're gonna make a profit of $1,400. Percentage 300%. It just changed for 12%, losing 78%, to making it 3% up from the price that he thinking that, you know, he gonna hit it, and he gonna make it 290% right now. Right now, if the price didn't move anywhere in the 12% and the upside, he losing everything. He gonna lose $90,000, $92,000, more or less, the YOLO. So let's see this. This guy thinking the price is gonna go below at 617. So this guy got sell call $137,000. So the price needs to be below 647. I gotta open the other chart. All right, guys. We're tracking see if this gonna do anything. Actually, put the position here. Normally, we're not supposed to be trade. The new indicators say not trading in the inbounds. So not trading over here in inbound. play. But I got the resistance and the support down here in the bottom. So I put a buy on the support and sell on the resistance. But this could like hit the resistance and go up. So anyway, kind of like that we are right now. Thank you for watching 30 minutes live video on the trading in the morning. I update my account on the save trades and option strat. As far as I see it right now, pretty much everything is in negative. RTX, we are today moving a little bit higher, 1%, but I need this to go, I don't know, by Friday, by tomorrow, 1.5%. I need to go 103 to get the money back or make some like $5. See how it goes. Let me see the RTX. I think it's very neutral. They got support. So 1 hour. Got the resistance here, 102. Got to break this one. No blocks at this moment. Sorry, my Instagram just pop up. It looks like we are going to be in a call side. Hopefully this kind of pops up with some news. And hopefully, I mean, if this pop up in the news, it's bad news because of war. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this channel, and see you tomorrow in the afternoon with results for the Netflix earnings. And I'm gonna be cover the closing bell tonight. I might come back tonight, see like how we are on the closing bell after, like 10 o'clock at night, maybe something like that. No, not really, because I gotta wake up early tomorrow. All right, thank you for watching this channel, and one more time,